Hello, this is Lita from Online Learning Services. After receiving feedback from students, instructors, and Watermark support team, we have made changes to the EDA 546-547 Internship ePortfolio to create a more streamlined and easier submission process using Watermark. This video will break down what has changed and how students will submit their work. This video is specifically for students who use Canvas. We have another video for CITE students. Please check our OLS YouTube playlist for that video. Before we begin, I want to mention a few reminders. Canvas students do not have access to the external site. They can only submit their watermark work through a Canvas assignment. You should not be logging into an external site. Do not use Safari or Microsoft Edge as your browser. We strongly encourage users to use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox as the browser of choice to ensure they are able to access Watermark. When using Chrome or Firefox, double-check that you are using the most up-to-date version of the browser. You can check on the Settings menu in your browser. We also recommend clearing your cache periodically to free up space in your browser. If you are having issues with the Google Drive linkage when attaching files, we strongly recommend that you download them and use the file upload option instead. If you need technical assistance, please contact helpdesk@strohs.edu as soon as possible. These requests are forwarded to Online Learning Services and will be happy to assist you. Now that we've gone over those reminders, let's dive into the changes that we've made to the ePortfolio. Go into your EDA 546 or 547 Canvas course. Go to the new Administrative Internship Portfolio assignment. Select the Load in a New Window button. You will be redirected to the watermark activity. You will notice that the activity looks slightly different than the previous version. Instead of one ePortfolio button, there are now 8 different ePortfolio buttons to use. Each ePortfolio is a section of the main ePortfolio. Each ePortfolio section has a template to use. I will go through each of these so you can see the process. Click the Select ePortfolio button underneath Section 1 ePortfolio Reference. Select Create ePortfolio to build your Section 1 ePortfolio. Select Create from Template. Give your Section 1 a title. I recommend a naming convention of your name-Section 1 or Section 1-your name to make it easily identifiable when attaching to the activity. A description is optional. Use the template search bar to look for Section 1. Click on Section 1 EDA 546-547 P-Cell version. Click Create in the upper right corner of your screen. Fill out the information in the form. Then click Save in the upper right corner. You will be redirected to the main ePortfolios page. Close this tab to go back to the activity page. On the Select ePortfolio window, click the Section 1 ePortfolio you built. Click Save to attach the ePortfolio. Let's move on to Section 2. Click the Select ePortfolio button underneath Section 2 ePortfolio Reference. Select Create ePortfolio to build your Section 2 ePortfolio. Select Create from Template. Give your Section 2 a title. Use the template search bar to look for Section 2. Click Create in the upper right corner. Upload your files and fill out the information in the form. Then click Save in the upper right corner. Once again, close out of this tab, and on the Select ePortfolio window, select Section 2. Then click Save. Let's take a look at Section 3. Once again, click the Select ePortfolio button underneath Section 3 ePortfolio Reference. Select Create ePortfolio to build your Section 3 ePortfolio. Select Create from Template. Give your Section 3 a title. Once again, use the template search bar to look for Section 3. Click Create in the upper right corner. Upload the necessary files, then click Save in the upper right corner. Close this tab to go back to the activity page. Select the Section 3 ePortfolio, then click Save. Follow similar steps for the remaining sections. I do want to shift gears to Section 6, as this has had the most drastic set of changes from the original ePortfolio template. A word of warning is that Section 6 is still rather large, but it loads much faster with the changes we made. We have updated the instructions at the top. Instead of multiple upload buttons for each of the standards, each overarching standard has one file upload button. All files related to P-Cell 1, for example, should go in this file upload button. All files related to P-Cell 2 should go to that file upload button, etc. To minimize confusion, we strongly encourage you to give your files a naming convention that has the standard in the title. There are some examples in the instructions above. Below each of the standards, we still have text boxes that align to each. There's an overarching P-Cell standard box for Albany only, as well as the individual substandards. If you are uploading files gradually or want to save your work to come back later, click Save in the upper right corner, like the other ePortfolio sections demonstrated. Don't attach until you're done. Go back into the assignment, select ePortfolio. In the list, click View next to the ePortfolio section if you wish to continue uploading files. At the very top of the screen, select Edit ePortfolio to continue editing the section. Click Save after you're done making changes. When you're ready to attach it to the assignment in Watermark, go back to the activity and select Section 6 and click Save. After you've attached each ePortfolio section to the activity in Watermark and you are ready to send it off to your instructor, click Submit in the upper right corner. If you receive a request to revise your ePortfolio, we have provided instructions on how to do so in the activity. This was an overview of the new EDA 546-547 ePortfolio for Canvas students. We hope you find this ePortfolio experience much easier than the previous version. But if you run into technical issues or have questions, please don't hesitate to contact us by emailing helpdesk@strohs.edu. Thanks for watching.